Located in Middlesbrough on the south bank of the River Tees, Teesside University is currently home to over 18,000 students. The university has a rich background in science and engineering, also offering leading-edge facilities for computing, health and social care, and art and design. Following substantial investment, Teesside University has become renowned for the quality of its facilities and its top-class learning environment, and was the first modern university to receive the Times Higher Education University of the Year award. As part of the £270 million investment project, the university's electrical services manager David Newton decided that it was time to upgrade their emergency lighting.
The tower central battery system used 8-watt fluorescent tubes, which were very inefficient. So we're looking to upgrade the system. And the Hochiki system has LEDs, which are efficient, reduced maintenance, but also it's an addressable system, which means it can report back exactly where the fault is, which saves a lot of time for the maintenance engineer, who doesn't have to search for the faults and look for lamps that are out. Effectively, you can go straight to it. It does save a lot of time on the job. The size of the tower project was quite large, so we planned it in stages, which also let us budget for different projects, so it's spread over a number of years, which also tied in with some refurbishment projects around the building. So when the refurbishment project was being done, we also did the emergency lighting at the same time. This gave us a chance to assess the actual installation as we were going along. We were very happy with it, so we continued with the installation, and also we've expanded that now to more buildings.
Teesside University has had a long-standing relationship with local life safety specialist Teesfire Systems, who were invited to propose a new emergency lighting system design.
Initially, David invited us into the university to look at the specific criteria which he required. We were aware of Hochiki's emergency lighting system, FIREscape, and we knew this would be a perfect fit for the university. We knew that the new system would be just as robust and reliable as the fire alarm system is, which we've used on many occasions.
FIREscape is an intelligent, extra-low voltage emergency lighting system approved to BS 5266 and EN 50172. We knew that our system would keep the university compliant with the current emergency lighting legislation and maintain their needs and requirements. Therefore, we had no hesitation in proposing FIREscape for the installation.
Designed, manufactured and tested in the UK, the FIREscape system features an emergency lighting control panel which supplies 2 radial, extra-low voltage emergency lighting circuits containing a mixture of LED luminaires and exit signs. Each of these self-contained lighting units features a rechargeable backup battery capable of sustaining the required lux for a minimum of 3 hours, as recommended in BS 5266. All the while, the FIREscape system is quiescent. The intelligent batteries within the units are monitoring themselves and charging if needed. Any failure of the lighting circuit is detected by the panel, which then commands the units to operate using their internal batteries.
The tower project was quite large, so we were going to use the FIREscape equipment to break it down into smaller projects. This allowed us to change the central battery system on a floor and change over individual floors to the addressable system. The tower system was very successful. It's surpassed all our expectations. So we have progressed it right the way through the building, and also now we've expanded that to other buildings, sometimes replacing existing central battery systems or replacing self-contained systems. The FIREscape system can be expanded very simply. We can do it and it causes minimal disruption to the main system, as we can do an installation and connect it to the existing wiring as and when we're finished.
We've now completed the installation across several phases. This includes Middlesbrough Tower, Constantine Building, Olympia Building, Orion Building and just recently Teesside Central. In total, we've installed 517 luminaires and 102 exit signs across 8 panels. We have also configured 2 lighting modes. Emergency mode where luminaires operate at a maximum illuminance in the event of a mains power failure. Also maintain mode where luminaires operate at a reduced level during predetermined times of the day as an example in the evening when the cleaners are carrying out their works. As the FIREscape system is a fully addressable intelligence system, any faults are notified back to the main control panel.
For more information, please visit www.hochikieurope.com/Firescape. Hochiki, your safety, our technology.